Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm here at the Alta Magnolia, and this is their 2 bedroom. It's really, really pretty. Let's do a video. I just want to show off the beautiful kitchen. It's a gorgeous kitchen here. It's got a lot of really pretty cabinets, white cabinets. It's got a kind of a honeycomb backsplash there. Super pretty. It's got a nice island here, and then it's got a massive living area. I mean, you can have a lot of people over here. This is a really fun area. I mean, look at all the spaces here. This is adorable. And you've got space here, seating here, and then they even set it up. I like how they did this, a little setup with a little separate table area. That's really clever. You've got a really nice balcony. We'll see that in just a second. And I just want to show off just this kitchen just one more time. It's super pretty. By the way, those are 14 feet ceilings. Look how well lighted it is. It's super nice. Some of the units, my friend Nick here was pointing out, some of the units have a nice surround sound. You can see that up here too. So it's really, really cool seeing that. Let's step outside. I want to show off this balcony to you. This is really cool. So let's see that. Here we go. Oh, wow. Beautiful balcony. Now, this is facing the pool, and I do recommend it. Oh, man, I smell something really good. Oh, wow. This is awesome. So, huge patio here. Nice grass here. This would be perfect for a dog. You can see they have a dog over there, obviously. Perfect for a dog, and with a pool view. This would be an awesome apartment to have with an awesome patio. So that's what this looks like. Let's do a part 2 video, and we're gonna part 2. We're gonna go into the bedrooms. So let's look at those right now. If you have any questions, send me a text at the number below, or if you want to set up a virtual tour, send me a text as well, and we'll take care of those as early as today. It'll be free.